How to find draft reels on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find draft reels on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the Instagram app, please visit your App Store or Play Store and make sure that your Instagram is up to date. If not, just click on updates so that you will have the latest features. After that, just head on and open Instagram right here. And make sure that you are in the Reels page. To do that, just click on this button at the bottom mid. Or actually, you can also go on to your profile page right here by clicking on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner and click on this plus icon. And from here, you will have many options. Just click on Reel right here. And this is where you can create reels. So let's say that you have created a reel one day and you saved it as a draft and you're wondering where it went. So actually you just have to open up your reels page and just simply click on this icon at the bottom left corner. So that is where you can navigate through your photos from your camera roll, from your photos or videos, and you can also click on that so you can post it as a reel. So to navigate through your drafts, you should actually have this option right here if you have saved a reel draft. Draft reel. So just click on that and you can either edit it, edit the cover, write a caption, and share it to feed, and share it to other social media sites, or recommend on Facebook. So this is where you can basically find your reels drafts. And take note that if you log out of or uninstall the Instagram app, your drafts will be lost. So you can also click on select right here and you can choose to discard multiple reels at once. So you can also do that in this page. That is how you can basically find draft reels on Instagram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.